Oh my gosh. Okay, so feline panleukopenia, can it be cured? That's a question I hear a lot, and honestly, it's kind of complicated. Like, no, there's not a straight-up cure, like with some bacterial infections where you give an antibiotic and it just goes away. Panleukopenia is caused by a virus, and viruses are super tricky. You can't just zap them with one medication and expect them to disappear. But, and this is important, just because there's no direct cure doesn't mean a cat can't survive it. They can, and a lot do, with the right care. So here's how it works. When a cat gets panleukopenia, the virus starts attacking all the fast-dividing cells in their body, especially the ones in their gut and bone marrow. That's why they get really sick really fast, like with vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and just looking completely out of it. And it's super contagious too, so if one cat has it, any unvaccinated cat nearby is at serious risk. Now, since there's no antiviral medication that specifically kills this virus, what vets do is something called supportive care. And honestly, that's the only way to get them through it. Supportive care is basically everything you can do to help the cat's body fight off the virus on its own. That means giving them IV fluids to keep them hydrated, especially because they're usually losing a ton of fluids from diarrhea and vomiting. And then there are anti-nausea meds, antibiotics to prevent secondary infections, and sometimes even blood transfusions if their immune system is super low. It's definitely not easy. The first few days are absolutely critical. Like, if the cat can just hang on through the worst part, there's actually a pretty good chance they'll recover. And get this, if they do make it, they usually have lifelong immunity. So yeah, there's no cure in the traditional sense, but they can beat it and go on to live completely normal, healthy lives. Isn't that kind of amazing? That said, kittens, especially the really tiny ones, have a tougher time. Their immune systems just aren't strong enough yet, and they can get overwhelmed really fast. But even then, with early and aggressive treatment, some of them pull through too. It's a tough fight, but not impossible. And seriously, the best way to deal with panleukopenia? Prevent it. Just vaccinate your cats. I mean, the vaccine is super effective, and it saves you, and your cat, from all this stress and heartbreak. So yeah, there's no actual cure, but with fast action and good vet care, cats can survive it, and that's what really matters.